Here in this video, we're going to talk about the MINIX NGC N512 mini PC and what it really offers for everyday productivity, business use, and multitasking workflows. If you're curious about the price of this mini PC, make sure to check the description below. This compact machine looks small on the outside, but what makes it interesting is how much real computing power it fits into such a tiny form factor. With Intel's Core i5-12600H inside, the performance is noticeably stronger than most mini PCs in this category, especially when juggling heavier workloads, like content creation, or multiple apps at once. The integrated Iris-A graphics won't replace a dedicated GPU for serious gaming or 3D rendering, but for office tasks, 4K media, and creative software, it performs smoothly and stays consistent. What stands out the most is the flexibility you get in memory and storage. Out of the box, it comes with 16GB DDR5 RAM and a 512GB PCIe 4.0 SSD, which is already fast, but the upgrade path is what makes it future-proof. You can push the RAM up to 64GB and add an additional SSD, meaning you won't outgrow it anytime soon. The quad display output is something power users will instantly appreciate. Being able to run up to 4 screens, including 8K via Thunderbolt 4, transforms your workspace into a highly efficient multi-monitor environment. Whether you're editing, monitoring dashboards, coding, or trading, the extra screens genuinely improve workflow and organization. Connectivity is another strong advantage of this mini PC. Dual LAN, including a 2.5 gigabits per second port, combined with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 ensures stable, high-speed networking for both wired and wireless setups. That makes it ideal for remote workers, servers, small business environments, and anyone who depends on consistent internet performance. The cooling system is quietly effective, meaning the device can run long hours without thermal throttling or distracting fan noise. While it's not meant for high-end GA,